Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. Today I'm participating in the Valentine's Open Collaboration, It's All About Love, hosted by Gigi's Creations and Grandma Sandy. Links will be in my description box below. I'm hosting my book club today, so I thought it would be super cute to do a Valentine's Day theme. If you're new here, I would love to welcome you and invite you to return as a family member by clicking on that subscribe button and hitting that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. Today's video was short and sweet, but I hope it gave you some Valentine's Day inspiration. Please make sure you stop by our host channels and show them some love, and all the other participants in this open collaboration. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.